Hey guys, just want to welcome you back for another video. And for today's project, it's just a fun little flip where I turned a gift bag into a few greeting cards. Back at Christmas at work, we had done a Secret Santa swap, and this was the bag that the gal had given me my gift in, and she had felt kind of bad because it wasn't a Christmas bag, but I told her that is absolutely not a problem. Gorgeous bags are always welcome. It doesn't matter for what, right? So I figured what I could do for fun is take them home, and I turned them into gift cards, like I said. And I thought it would also be nice as a thank you. I turned one of them into a thank you card for her for the little gift that she got me. And then I had two left over, so I figured I would just gift them to her as a little thank you gift. Because you never know. Sometimes you need a gift card and you don't have one. So in any case, that is what I am doing here. And again, it's just another little project to encourage you to go through, do your stash busting. If you have gift bags of your own that you can't use anymore for whatever reason, damaged or whatnot, feel free to chop them down and you can turn them into some kind of a paper crafted item. It doesn't have to be greeting cards, but because that's what I love to do most is make the greeting cards. That's why I turned these into those. So simple, quick, easy little project, very fun. And again, stash busting is so satisfying. I cannot even tell you. And I've heard so many crafters, say, why do I hoard all the pretty stuff? And why do we? It's a mystery. So I'm trying not to do that anymore, which you can see by all the videos coming out with the stash busting collab that I'm doing with Dawn, as well as the ones I'm doing on the side. And then even with the design team projects that I do for Dawn, when she has a new release come out, I've been working in little bits of stash busting into those as well. Because, everybody's right. Why do we hang on to all the stuff that we love? It's absolutely not a problem to go find more pretty paper. It is everywhere. So again, this year was just so much fun focusing on stash busting. So hopefully this encourages, let me say that again. Hopefully this encourages you to go through your craft room, pull out stuff that you think you can't use anymore, or you don't know what to do with it, or you're trying not to use it. I definitely encourage you to do so. So hopefully these have been helpful and, kickstarted you on your own stash busting journey. And thank you guys so much for hanging out. As always, it is so much fun hanging out with you. And take care, you guys. Stay safe, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video.